Hello, good people. Welcome to the Safe Happy Life channel with me, Dr. Rose M. Welcome to the channel where we discuss matters psychology. And today we are talking about drug addiction. Our last episode, having taken a break to discuss about the war of Russia and Ukraine and the effect it's having on us. So today we are talking about drugs, our last episode for now, and they have called it bitter herbs. Why bitter herbs? Because somebody must take some bitter herb to get out of drug addiction. So I ask a question. Are you a drug user? Have you gotten over your pre-contemplation stage? Then this episode will speak to you. Are you a parent, a spouse, or a relative to a drug user? Have they gotten over their contemplative stage and now they are in the contemplation stage and hopefully even preparation stage? Welcome. This video will speak to you. Today I want us to look at three pathways that drug users or drug abusers or drug addicts can use to overcome the addiction. I start with the very widely known, which is Alcoholic Anonymous 12 Steps. And allow me not to get into the details because that one is widely available and widely known. I want to look at number 2, harm reduction strategy, which is found in harmreduction.org. You can read more about it. And in this one, it has 3 levels, which is willingness to start the recovery. That's why we are talking about a person who is in the contemplation stage. They have moved from pre-contemplation stage and now they are willing to start the recovery, meaning they want to move from moderate from heavy users to moderate users on their way to abstinence. And 2, the other level in this harm reduction pathway is celebration. Somebody who is able to celebrate the baby steps, the little rewards, the little steps they make towards drug use recovery. They are able to celebrate and appreciate themselves. And number 3, replacing the drug of choice with something else that gives them a good feeling. Then there is pathway number 3, which is smart recovery. And this one is found on in the internet, smartrecovery.org. And SMART is an acronym for self-management and recovery training, which is a science-based model. And in this science-based model, it involves mutual support that helps people to overcome addiction. And it's carried out in interactive meetings that are moderated by trained facilitators or therapists or counselors, if you like. And in this self-management and recovery training, the SMART model, it enables drug users to take up the responsibility of recovery. And this is achieved by achieved at 4 levels. Number 1, building and maintaining the motivation to stop. Why do they want to stop? How do they maintain that motivation? Coping with the urges. If I feel I want a puff, if I feel I need a drink, how do I cope with that urge? And managing thoughts, feelings, and behaviors of a person. How do you feel? How do you manage your thoughts? If thoughts come that I want a drink, or I want to smoke, or I want a puff, or how do I behave? How do I move from where I am to go towards where the alcohol is, or how do I manage my thoughts, feelings, and behaviors? And then number 4, living a balanced life. This is where you live a wholesome life, where your body, mind, and spirit are well taken care of in terms of diet, positivity in thinking, and also surrendering to your deity. And in conclusion, I would say that while there are very many pathways that people can use to overcome drug addiction, the honors to stop, the honors to recover, the honors to heal rests with the drug user. Because unless or until they are past the pre-contemplation stage, it becomes very difficult for anybody anywhere to bring them help or to assist them to stop. So the key entry point, if you have a patient who is using drugs, is to make sure that you are dealing with a person who is past the pre-contemplation stage and they are on to the contemplation stage, so that way you'll be able to move forward and the rest will be doable. If I have spoken to you, or if you feel this video could help somebody, kindly share, and God bless you as you continue to subscribe. Bye bye.